Oh yeah. This is just so good. That's amazing. If you like it a little bit spicy, try the kimchi. Okay, so welcome back. So I hope you are ready to delve back into the world of lacto fermented vegetables in this exciting place. It's fun, it's easy, and it's bloody tasty. Today we're going to be doing my kimchi recipe. It's easy, it's fast, and it's also a plant-based recipe. If you stick around to the end of the video, I'll give you a list of all the positive things that kimchi can do for your health. So let's not hang around, let's make the kimchi. Here it comes. Okay, so I'm going to take one Napa cabbage, like this, or Chinese cabbage. This cabbage weighed a kilo in weight, so it's ideal to work out the salt. Going to cut the cabbage in half, clearing the board, keep it nice and tidy. Cut it in half again, so it's a nice quarter. This cabbage was a beast of burden. Then we cut the core out, so that frees up the leaves so they can separate when it's chopped. I'm marking halfway down and then shredding the top half so we can get two different textures out of the cabbage. So nice and finely chopped like this. Halfway down, then we're going to stop. There you go, look nice and fine. Then on the bottom half, we're going to cut it big and chunky. This is going to add a nice crunch and some texture to the kimchi. Okay, we're going to take some Moreton sea salt next, and we're going to weigh out 2% of the weight of cabbage, so it's a kilo, so 20 grams. Okay, so next we're going to crush the cabbage down. We want to get a good massage, give it a really good bruising, because you want that salt and that cabbage to kind of crush down, and then the liquid's going to come out of the cabbage. We're going to crush it down, and we're going to leave it for 1 hour. After an hour, it looks like this. Now we're going to make the kimchi paste. Okay, using the back of a knife, scrape down the outside of the ginger, take the skin off, chop it into nice little chunks. Doesn't matter too much, we're going to blitz that bad boy up. Okay, next smash up 6 cloves of garlic, give them a peel, just take the husk off. Like we say, it doesn't matter too much, we're going to put them in the blender. So next we're going to add 1 mug of water. Then we're going to take 3 tablespoons of caster sugar and then add that to the water. What we're doing now is making a nice paste that's going to get stirred into the cabbage and the rest of the vegetables. There we go, 3. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of smoked chilies. Okay, next up we're going to add some rice wine vinegar. Helps with the umami flavours. 4 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar goes into the water liquid. There we go. Okay, next up we're going to put a nice soy sauce in. 2 tablespoons of that. This is another ingredient that's famed for its great flavour and taste. In it goes, adding that to the water liquid. Okay, next we're going to add oyster sauce. I add this instead of the fermented fish sauce and the fermented shrimp in normal kimchi. This makes it plant-based and kind of replaces that flavour a little bit. Also great tasting. Next up we're going to add 250 millilitres of sriracha sauce, which is garlic and chilli sauce. Adding the peeled garlic, and then we're going to add the peeled ginger, and then 1 chopped raw medium-sized onion. Lid on and blitz. We're going to blitz that round so it's nice and smooth, and all the ginger's broken down. You don't want any fibres in the ginger. There it is, nice and smooth. Smells amazing. Okay, next up we're going to add the rest of the vegetables. I'm going to get 1 packet of radishes. You can slice it by hand or on a mandolin to get a nice consistent slice. Watch your fingers. Whoa! Then we take 1 bunch of spring onions. Going to chop those nice and chunky. That's 1 bunch of spring onions going in there as well. In this kimchi recipe I'm going to put carrots in there. For me, I personally like the sweetness, I like the texture. We give it a nice good long speed peel so you get a nice long ribbon of carrots. It gives a real nice texture to the kimchi. And remember, the better quality ingredients you've got, the better quality finish you're going to get, the better flavour out of what you make. Okay, we're going to add the sauce. Then it goes, going to mix that round, give all the vegetables a nice good coating. There you go, you can see it's all starting to turn red. And now we're going to jar it up. Okay, this kimchi here is the one I made in the video, and it's been 6 days since I made it. It's been sat out at room temperature. I put it in the fridge yesterday to chill it down. It's got a nice tang to it. Absolutely delicious. It's got loads of ginger, garlic coming through it. It's got a really good umami flavour from where it's been fermenting over the past 6 days. And I like it spicy. Not only is this good for you, it tastes bloody amazing. It's packed full of umami flavours. You can leave it longer if you want to, that gives it more of a tang. Personally, it was quite warm, we just had a heat wave, so the 5 to 6 days in my kitchen was just enough for it to ferment. You can see natural bubbles growing. Don't be scared of natural bubbles, that is just the fermentation period. Make sure you've got a nice released lid, or you're burping it every day so you don't want a kimchi bomb blowing up in your kitchen, just like sauerkraut. Thank you for watching, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video, which is going to be homemade jam. See you next time, bye now.